Bluetooth allows devices to wirelessly connect and communicate with each other over short distances. It's a convenient, versatile, and reliable technology that is used in many applications. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to configure Bluetooth for management on Catalyst 1200 and 1300 switches. Next. Cisco Catalyst 1200 and 1300 switches allow IP connectivity over Bluetooth for switch management. You manage the switch either through a web user interface, UI, or through an SSH or Telnet session over a Bluetooth connection. To get started, log into your Catalyst switch. The Bluetooth settings can be found under the Administration and then Bluetooth Settings. As you can see, Bluetooth is enabled by default, and there is an encrypted PIN. The default PIN is 9999. Here, you can see a description, an IP interface, and some additional information. The switch supports Bluetooth modules through an add-on USB Bluetooth dongle. It is not integrated. Therefore, you must plug one into the USB-A port on the front of the switch. Ensure that the dongle you use is supported. Not all USB adapters will function correctly. At the time of filming, these are some dongles that have been tested and are compatible. Once connected, you'll see a notification stating that a dongle has been inserted. Refresh the page to see that there is a dongle present, along with its MAC address. To manage the switch over Bluetooth, be sure to change the PIN from the default. Otherwise, if anyone knows the default PIN, they could use it to manage the switch without your knowledge. I'll use 4578 and type it in the plaintext field. Your PIN should be 4 digits. By default, the device name will be the switch's host name. You can customize this to something else by selecting the user-defined option. I'll leave it as the switch host name option. Take a look at the IP interface. Right now, it's set to none. If saved this way, you could connect to the Bluetooth adapter, but not manage the switch. You need a static IP address bound to the adapter for management. This IP address has to be on a subnet that is not in use by the switch. My switch is being managed and I connect to it over a wired connection. The IP is 10.0.0.206, so my subnet here is 10.0.0.x. I'll use 172.16.1.100 with a network mask of 255.255.255.0. If everything looks good in your configuration, click Apply at the top of the screen. Next, navigate to IPv4 configuration and then IPv4 interface. Now that you've set up a static IP address for Bluetooth, the Bluetooth option appears grayed out in the IPv4 interface table. Additionally, if you click on the plus symbol to add an interface, you'll notice that Bluetooth is not configurable here either. Navigate to the Bluetooth settings page for adjustments. Once all configurations are complete, save the changes by clicking on the blinking red Save icon at the top of the screen. There you have it. Bluetooth has been configured on the switch. Now it's time to move on to the client side and then verify connectivity. Click the link in the description for a video covering these next steps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.